We got Solo Rider here with me. Came all the way down from Georgia. It's gonna be pretty dope. This man right here, the man, boy. Finally, we get to ride together. This beautiful, absolutely gorgeous S1K. This thing looks absolutely great, and it's loud as hell, boy. Woo! Still got the Florida plates coming from Georgia. Woo! This sounds phenomenal, man. So welcome back to the channel. We got Solo Rider in the building. He's already doing his motovlog. This S1K, man, this S1K looks absolutely phenomenal. All the stickers and the placement, you can see where it changed, how it came from previous years. If you look at the nose, they're kind of still similar. They just put the headlights on the newer ones towards the bottom. But check this out, man. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. Both bikes still look great. Maybe one day I'll own one of those, just kind of like have a classic with me. So the plan is right now, we're going to be heading out to St. Cloud, and we'll be riding out to St. Cloud to do some photo shoots. We're meeting up with Two Wheel Twansy. We're meeting up with Dark Maverick, Cobra Mecca. We're going to have a blast, so it's going to be a motovlog weekend. This is for Daytona Bike Week, so it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. We got my man right here with his, I'm catching this on Insta360. Yo, I love the fact that he's got a Superman at the top of the helmet. I think it looks absolutely dope. Look at this. Look at all the sticker placements. I don't know if he did put in all this work, but even this is aftermarket, I want to say. So this is what, a 2014? I can't see the year, but it's in there. Yeah, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at it. Yeah, that's what I need to get. I need to get a radiator guard. I don't have one of those. So, all right, we're ready. Let's head out. All right. Hopefully, guys, the audio is so much better this time around because, oh my gosh, that previous video was just horrible. So, yeah, it's going to be a fun-filled weekend. Lots going on. We still haven't eaten. It's already close to noon, if it's not noon already. It's almost noon. So we're going to head to St. Cloud. We're going to eat at the spot. It's really cool. And, yeah, just eat. But I'm super stoked, super excited. I'm also super hungry because I want to, yeah, that's basically it. I mean, we're going to go ahead and head out to St. Cloud, Florida. And I know this man says he doesn't want to do any highways, but sorry, man, we're going to have to do it. Sorry, Solo Rider, but we got to do the highway, baby. We can't just go. Let's go! Luna is ready to rock and roll. So, we're ready. We're ready, Teddy. I know you're good, man. I know you're good. Shit.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
So, yeah, we're super stoked. I'm super excited. I'm ready to hit it. So, all right, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm over here with Solo Rider. I don't know if you can see it behind me. Hopefully you can see it here. I don't know what that means, but I'm getting some kind of messages on the GoPro, on the Insta360. But I have Solo Rider behind me, and maybe showcase his bike a little bit. There you go. There you go. That's what I wanted. Showcase his bike a little bit. You can see, bro, his bike looks badass. I'll tell you, it looks really fucking good. Today's windy, so I do apologize if the mic placement is wrong, and two, everything is just like crazy. But it's just windy today, and we're trying to keep everything, you know, as steady as possible. I'm crazy. I don't care. I break all kinds of rules. But yeah, no, solo rider, he's not gonna risk it. This is my own stopping ground, so I can do stuff like this and remember, you know, all this stuff. But yeah, that was solo rider. So we're right now we're headed to Vanessa's Cafe. I haven't been there in a minute. I love their food there, and that's where everybody's meeting up. We're meeting up with 2 Swansea. We're also meeting up with Cobra Mecca. Dark Maverick is also gonna be there. These are a great bunch of guys, man. Just amazing, amazing, amazing. And I got to hang out with a little bit with Solo Rider. It was brief because I had to go in, drop off my truck, and get my bike and get dressed, and then we briefly did the intro. And so now we're here in St. Cloud, Florida. We're gonna go to the waterfront and make some content. So it's gonna be really amazing, and I just can't wait to upload all these videos. It's gonna be freaking great. So yeah, that's where I'm at currently. So we're heading up Ace Cafe, which is right here, and this is where all the guys are supposed to be meeting at. They might be there, they might not be there yet, but yeah, I'm pretty sure he said this was far. But yeah, there's that Vanessa's Cafe, the coffee shop. It's great. They got amazing food here. So this is where we're gonna be at, and I guess we can park. Oh, we got front. No, he's already here. All right. So Dark Maverick, I don't know if you want me to reveal your bike, but my man has got a brand new bike. As you can see, my man Dark Maverick already put the sticker logo on it. He is ready to rock and roll on this thing, man. This thing looks absolutely stunning. So it's already come with rainbow brakes, powder coated rims, a little bit of carbon fiber. I wonder if this is real carbon fiber. It looks really good. But yeah, this is his bike. So I don't know if he wants me to show it in, but that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go hit up Vanessa's Cafe, get some food, because I'm starving, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.